Welcome back to the Scotti-BYTE channel, and this is Scott. So today I wanted to talk about a tool that I use to record my video conferencing. So video conferencing has become a primary means for collaboration for both companies and individuals, and particularly when most of us started to work from home for a period of time. So I primarily use Jitsi Meet, which is an open source conferencing tool which can be self-hosted and does basically what Zoom does. Popular commercial meeting tools include Webex, GotoMeeting, RingCentral, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, Skype, Facetime, and still others. In addition, there are several remote assistance tools like TeamViewer, GotoMyPC, LogMeIn, VNC Connect, and more that provide screen sharing as well as remote control. So for all of these tools, normally they offer some type of cloud-based recording that store their data in Dropbox or other cloud-based storage, or they don't offer any recording capability at all. So Jitsi Meet, which I use, uses something called WebRTC to perform screen sharing and has a recording feature that also uses Dropbox. Well, WebRTC is an HTML5 specification that is used to add real-time communication capabilities to applications and is an open standard. So WebRTC can offer screen sharing as well as camera, microphone, and desktop video capture. There is an open source WebRTC-based browser add-in for Google Chrome, Firefox, Opera, Edge, and Safari. And the tool we're going to talk about today is an open source tool called RecordRTC. And there's the GitHub location for where it is hosted. And it's an open source project providing a library for audio, video, and screen and canvas 2D and 3D animation recording. So RecordRTC is a web browser add-in for Google Chrome, Firefox, Opera, Edge, and Safari. RecordRTC allows you to record anything on your screen, including video conferences, remote sessions, or even just an ordinary normal PC session. So RecordRTC works on Windows, Mac, and Linux because it's written in JavaScript and it runs as a simple web browser add-on. Recordings are stored in the local web browser cache and can be saved as an ordinary file through the use of the add-on when the recording is completed. So the recording options are very numerous. You can see here that you have all kinds of choices from the web browser add-in. And you also have some options as to which camera you want to use, what microphone device, and which codecs and resolutions and others. So today we're going to give a demonstration on how to install WebRTC on a Chrome-based browser such as Google Chrome or the Brave web browser, and that's done from the Google Chrome store. So here's the Google Chrome store. I search for RecordRTC and we're going to add it to Chrome. So let's go install RecordRTC. So here's the GitHub repository for RecordRTC, and you can see that there haven't been any updates for a while, although it does say that the last update to the code was on about a year ago. And if you go down here, the code's completely open source, and they've got some examples and how you might incorporate some of their code into your project. But we're going to look just at the Chrome extension here. So I'm in the Chrome browser, and I'm going to go ahead and search for RecordRTC. So search for RecordRTC. It comes up right here. I click on it. I click on Add to Chrome. I click on Add Extension, and then it pops up and says it's been added to Chrome. So you want to click on the puzzle piece, and you want to scroll down and find your RecordRTC and highlight the push pin so that it will show up in the toolbar here by default. If we click on it, there's all the options First place I want to go is to the options menu. I make sure that my camera is correct, and it is. I'm going to change my microphone to my Yeti microphone, and I'm going to change my default video codec to MKV, and that's all there is to it. Okay, let's use RecordRTC to actually record something. So I'm going to go over here to a new tab, and I'm going to bring up discussion.Scotti-BYTE.com, which is my forum. So let's click on record from screen, mic, and speakers. And as soon as I do that, I get a pop-up, which actually occurred on my other screen, and it gives you the option to either record an entire screen or a window. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and record the entire screen too, which is the screen you're currently looking at. When I click for it to share, I get a pop-up on the other screen that tells me that it is recording. And if you look up here at the top of the screen, you can see there is a count-up counter that says that it's 15, 16, 17, it's recording. So if we go click on a particular item, you can see there that it's doing that. So if we stop the recording, we get this page here that tells us click here to download. When I download, I get my recording stored over on my downloads folder. And let's just try and play that back and see what we have. When I click for it to share, I get a pop-up on the other screen that tells me. So there you go, it's actually playing it back here. And if you look up here at the top of the screen, you can see there is a count-up counter that says that it's 15. Anyway, that's basically all there is to using RecordRTC. So in summary, RecordRTC is an open source program. RecordRTC keeps your recordings on your local machine. RecordRTC supports a variety of formats including WebM, VP8, VP9, H.264, and MKV. RecordRTC is high resolution and it's fast. And RecordRTC provides a great way to capture live conferencing events or screen sharing sessions, as well as any live action on your desktop. Anyway, that's it for today. Please subscribe and like to the channel, and we'll see you next time.